Hello students, welcome back in moral science class. How are you class 8 students? This is your day 5. I am going to discuss moral science. This is your book. Okay. You are learning chapter 1. In last 1 to 4 video I have discussed about the technology and uh, behavior of young people to old people. Okay, in last video you knew very well. Okay, many young people don't give proper space to their father and mother, and they are bound to live in the old age home. Okay, and they don't give proper foods, medicines, etc. So they face cataract and glaucoma, and it turns to blind. Okay, we should respect the old people. They want to live with dignity in the society. Okay, when they don't get the opportunity of living, then they are on that time they bound to go on old age home. Okay, last video I have already discussed. In this video you will know about, we have a long tradition of cures, love and respects for the elders. We bow before our parents and grandparents to seek their blessing. Blessing means what? Blessing, we get blessing from the old people because old people are very experienced people. They have seen the society. Okay, how? Suppose there is a tree on your compound. What does tree give you? It gives you shelter, it gives you shadow, it gives you oxygen, etc. And it takes carbon dioxide. On that, in same situation, old people doesn't do anything, but they protect us, they protect you. So their blessing is most important for us. Whenever you will face lots of problem in your life, then their blessing will protect us. Okay, in this video on that way. And next, Shyam was asked by his father to fetch an earthen bowl. We know the story of Shyam. There was a boy whose name was Shyam. One day his father told him to bring 2 bowls of earthen bowls. Why? Because Shyam grandparents, it was the bad habits of Shyam grandparents. They were old and feeble, and their habits of dropping too many teacups which broke. Okay, it was his habits. One day Shyam's father told Shyam to bring the earthen bowl from the market for Shyam's grandparents. On that time, Shyam went into the market and brought 2 earthen bowls, one for his father and second for his grandparents. Why? Today father is young, and after many years he will become old. So we should respect the old people like Shyam's grandparents, like Shyam's etc. We knew the story of Shyam's. When they listened these things, Shyam has brought 2 earthen balls. On that time, Shyam, on that time, his grandparents dump stock. Okay, and whenever you will come from your home, or whenever you will come from your school, then it is your duty to talk with your grandparents, and it is your duty to spend some times with them, because they are experienced person. Their blessings are so most important for you. In day 5 we have learned one by one line. So please see the video, then you can understand properly one by one. Please see it. Student, this is your class 5th class. Okay, already I have discussed from here to here. In this video you will know about from here. Okay, from here to here already I have discussed. In this video you will know about from here. This is class 5. Okay, already I have made 4 video for you. So Shyam was asked by his father to fetch an earthen ball. Okay, Shyam, there was a boy, okay, whose name was Shyam, was asked by his father to fetch an earthen ball from the market. Okay, earthen ball means what? The earthen balls mean, you know very well. Ball means, earthen ball means swell ball. Okay, swell ball from the market. When asked for the reason, the father replied that his mother and grandmother was an old and feeble, was in the habit of dropping too many teacups which broke. It was very painful incident was happened. It was a very painful incident happened with grandparents and parents. Happened with grandmother. Okay, they also broke the teacups etc. That's why Shyam was asked by his father to fetch an earthen ball. Okay, how cruel his father. His father is asking to his son, bring the soil ball. Anup said nothing. Next day he fetched 2 such earthen balls. When asked for the reason, he said, Papa, I got one up for you. When you two will get old and feeble, I will need it for you. It means what? Try to understand the story. It will very impressive story of Shyam. There was a boy whose name was Shyam. One day Shyam was told by his father, Shyam, go and bring the go and bring the earthen bowl. Okay, for your grandparents. Okay, because there is a habit of your grandparents, they dropping too many teacups and broke. Okay, it was his bad habits. Okay, then Shyam brought 2 cups, two earthen cups. Okay, 2 earthen one bowls. Okay, one bowl for father and second one for grandparents. Okay, whenever father will feeble and when his father will when his father will unable to walk on his foot, then he will give another bowl. And try to understand the story. Shyam brought 2 bowls. One is for father
and second one for grandparents. Okay, we know very well, today I am young, but after 50 years I will uh, I will very old, and I will also unable to work on my food. Okay, that's why we will have to see the our grandparents. Okay, and parents, we should not neglect him. It is our duty to see them. Okay, we should not, they have right to live with dignity. Okay, so this is the story of Shyam. Okay, his father was dumb stock. His father was dumb stock. Okay, dumb stock. He realized that all of us get old someday. We know very well every people will get old someday. Okay, time will change for every person. Time is not same for every person. If we treat the elderly in the house or rudely, our children will do the same to us. If I will treat rudely to our father, okay, then I will be also grown. I will also old, and my child will also treat rudely with us. So older persons should be able to live in the with dignity and security and be free from exploitation. Exploitation means what? Suction, physically and mentally. We should respect the old person, and we should help the old and needy person. Okay, it is our duty. What can you as a student to do to help the aged? If there is a grandparents at home, make sure you treat him or her with love and respect. It is our duty to give respect to old person. If they want you to do and ask for some task, never refuse. Remember, you will also grow old one day and may need help. Today you are young, but after some years you will definitely be also grow old. Okay, today you are young, but you will also grow old one day. Don't forget it. Okay, whenever your grandparents is giving some work for doing it, then it is your duty to do on timely. Okay, and may need help. Make sure that the elderly member of the family have enough to eat. Okay, give food to them timely and give nutritional food to him, because you are young, but your grandparents are not young. They need your help. They need nutritional food. They need milk, vegetables, etc. They definitely cannot to eat lots of food. They are not demanding lots of food from you. They are demanding only food. Give them, but nutritional food like milk, fruits, soft cooked vegetable, etc. They will it will keep them healthy. They love your company, so speak to them about your schools and read newspaper to them whenever possible. Listen to their stories. Some of them have fascinating charming story they tell their younger days when the world was quite different. It means what? When you suppose you are going to school, and what did you do in school? Tell them. They means what? Tell your grandparents, and try to spend some time with them. They will also take care you. Okay, they will because they love too much. Okay, so try to speak to them. Okay, and read newspaper to them. Okay, and try to listen the stories of old person, because they are too much experience from them from you. They have seen the society. Okay, they have spent many years in the society. They have too much experience, so try to listen to them. Okay, so today I have discussed from here to here. In next day I will discuss from here to here. Thanks for watching this video. If you have seen and you think that this video is very good, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay.